Down a little bit though. There we go. Might be a little better. UAV. Now, how did you get $20,000, you might ask? Well, what you're not aware of is that I'm filthy fucking rich. Now, what you're about to see is that even though I've got a 2-kill game right here, I'm about to fuck this up. Unless he just got in that car, in which case, might be alright. There's a dead man there. Where did that come from? I thought it came from in here, but looks like I was wrong. Oh no, there he is. Bitch! Ah, what is that? Contraband? What the hell's contraband? What? 581 meters. I mean, alright, yeah, fuck it. I'll do it. I don't give a shit. I've never gotten this before. What the fuck? Oh, dude, right up there. I don't want to risk my contraband. I gotta see this through. This mission is a go. Oh fuck, oh fuck, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me. Are you on heartbeat? You sure are. I'm looking for you. I don't want to get fucking hyper-focused on that guy though. I'm leaving. I got contraband turned in. Sorry, bro. I'll kill you later. Oh god, can I make it there? Am I gonna get there just unopposed? There's only 50 people left. I might be alright. Oh, I don't want to cut through Storage Town, but fuck it. If I had another UAV, I'd be straight, but I don't. I got enough money for one. I probably should pop it. I've never seen contraband. I'm excited. I wonder if this is the helicopter thing. Oh, fuck. I'm in a big-ass open field, too. Fuck my anus. Bust out the LMG, just in case. Heartbeat sensor. Nobody? Alright. That's where that dude parachuted down to. Oh, he's right in front of me. He's in this building. Ah! Fuck you, bro! Fuck you, die! Ow! Oh, God. Oh, my God. That's gonna be so loud, I'm so sorry. I was just so scared. Alright. Back to my contraband. Why? Oh, fuck, I'm not even ghosted either. Alright, I'm here. What does this mean? Should I fucking hide, bro? No one on heartbeat? I might be clear. Take it! What? That's what that helicopter. We figured it out. I'm gonna back up. We figured it out. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is gonna be such a loud audio, and I apologize ahead of time. Being hunted? Fuck you. Don't hunt me. Fuck you. Stay away from my contraband. Ah! Miss me, bitch. Double fucked up. Okay, fuck you. I'm out of here.